Hey guys, it's Nick from Fluidampr, and today we're talking Chrysler, part number 720301 for the Chrysler A LA engine is a 318, 340, and 360. So we're going to open it up and give a quick look at it, take a look at it, see what you get inside. The factory torque spec for the bolt is 150 foot-pounds. Inside the box here, you'll get your installation instructions. Please read them thoroughly before you do your installation. You'll have your SFI card. You need to hang on to that if you're going to the track. And also inside there is a Fluidampr sticker. So the damper itself here is black zinc chromate finish. It has 6 bolt holes evenly spaced. You may need to re-drill your pulley for the alignment. If you're using an aftermarket pulley, you can get the ones that are just 6 evenly spaced. This is internally balanced. It is keyed for the alignment. It has your timing marks from 10 to 50, as well as a 90, a 180, and a 270. Again, this is part number 720301. For the Chrysler A LA engine, 318, 340, 360. If you have any questions about this damper or any of our other products, feel free to shoot us an email at support@fluidampr.com. You can also give us a phone call. Check out our website, fluidampr.com. There's plenty of information on there as well. Hope to see you guys in the next video.